Welcome to today's show, guys. I'm your boy, Chef Carlton. Just good cooking. On today's show, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to transform this into this. So you could go ahead and boil your potatoes, boil them all together. Alright, so we're going to start with our sweet potato mash. Add your sweet potato, add a stick of butter, whipped cream, a bit of cinnamon, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. And you're just gonna mash that real good. Start with your potatoes, some butter, whipped cream, a bit of salt, a little bit of white. We're gonna use a little bit of white pepper, pinch of garlic powder, and just cream this up real quick. Now that your mashed potato is nice and creamy and ready, you're going to go ahead and go on to blanching your veggies. And these are the veggies I've decided to use. I'm going with broccoli rabe and triangular carrots. So we're going to go ahead and blanch these. And by blanching, I'm going to put them in here for like 45 seconds. Then I'm going to put them in ice water for 45 seconds. I'm blanching the carrots separate because the carrots takes a bit longer. Now we're going to season our beef with even proportion of salt and pepper. That's all we're going to use for now, the salt and pepper. Put it on both sides. Get the sides. So we're going to start with some olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil. You're going to start with your steak. Just let it rest. Don't disturb it, just let it rest. Just let it sizzle for like 2 minutes on each side. That will be a perfect medium rare. Alright guys, now it's time to turn them over. See a nice char. That's exactly what you're looking for. Alright, so now when you get to this temperature, you're going to go ahead and add your veggies. Beautiful color. Just move it along. Add your veggies. You can add a little bit of salt and pepper. And you can add some garlic butter. I'm gonna add some garlic butter into that. Bring your veggies over. Get some color. And then your garlic butter to melt. You can see that in all your veggies and then your steak. Alright guys, now we're going to plate up. So now we're going to go ahead and plate up. Start with your mash. Alright, so your rapini.